Would you be able to spare a little time out of your busy schedule to do something for Mother Nature? Well, if the answer is yes, this weekend will be the perfect opportunity for you to come over and do something special.
Do the impossible, see the invisible. Bro, fight the power, crush the untouchable.
Hi, my name is Webster, or you can call me by my nickname of Webby. Hi! Hello! This Sunday is the 22nd of April 2012, and what's special about that day is it is Earth Day 2012, and we are celebrating Earth Day in Templars Park. Organized by this group called Waterfall Survivors, as well as working together with Perka, we are having a very special event starting from 8 AM all the way till 3 PM. Alright, what you find in this program would be activities like talks, music performances, as well as a cleanup event plus some games and fun activities for everyone to enjoy. And you know what? If you have that opportunity, that time, come over with your family, your friends, and have fun. And you know what, guys? Your contribution, your participation will help make a difference to improve Mother Nature and to help Earth become a better and beautiful place for all of us to enjoy. You know what? I look forward to seeing you guys there, and you know, if you guys see me on that day, do say hi. I would love to meet you guys then. And you know what? Let's take a picture together, eh? Yes. Peace!
Do the impossible, see the invisible. Bro, fight the power, crush the untouchable, break the unbreakable. Bro, fight the power. What you gonna do is what you wanna do. Just break the rule, then you see